been a part of Big Boss casting from a very long time. जैसे कुछ सीजन्स में हमने गुंडे मवाली टाइप्स के लोग भी देखे, रजत दलाल, we have seen, he is still a गुंडा, कोई भी सड़क छाप आके शो कर लेता है.
We are not fixing up the controversies because I stay far away from controversies. According to what they show on social media, उनकी रियल लाइफ बहुत अलग होती है उससे, और वो डर जाते हैं कि हमें शायद लोग नापसंद ना करें.
You've been in Big Boss for a very long time. You have casted people for it. So tell me, is it a bit biased that way?
After season 14, I don't think Big Boss में कुछ genuineness रह गई है. TV is not really doing well. TRPs नहीं आ रही हैं, but it is because reality नहीं रह गई है अब चीज़ों में.
देखिए, जब भी हम टीवी खोलते हैं तो हमें अक्सर उम्मीद होती है कि कहीं तो लड़ाई होगी, चाहे वो सास बहू की हो या फिर भाई भाई की हो और देवर, या फिर उनकी भाभी की आपस में लड़ाई और प्रेम भी हो, व्हाटएवर. लेकिन हमें अक्सर उम्मीद रहती है कि एक रियलिटी शो तो आएगा, फिर से आएगा, जो मज़ा और समा बांध देगा. बिग बॉस हम सब ने देखा है, ट्रेटर्स ने जो है अपनी धूम वो भी मचाई है. लेकिन आई हैव समबडी जो कि शायद इन सबको पीछे पछाड़ते हुए अपना एक नया शो लेकर आ रहे हैं, और मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है इससे पर्सनली भी, क्योंकि एक नए शो की ज़रूरत भी है. और हाल फिलहाल में टीवी जो है बहुत ही गंदे दौर से गुजर रहा है. जो इनके बाकी शोज़ हैं फिक्शन, वो अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं. वेलकमिंग आकाश टू फिल्मी बीट. फर्स्टली कंग्रेचुलेशंस. हमने शो के जितने भी पीपीटी एंड ब्रीफ था वो कल देखा. वी लव्ड इट इन द वे ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट हाउ इट इज़ बीइंग प्लान्ड. टेल मी अबाउट इट.
So thank you very much for inviting, first of all. Secondly, the show, you really said well that TV is not really doing well. TRPs नहीं आ रही हैं, but it is because reality नहीं रह गई है अब चीज़ों में. It's all drama and fiction left. So अभी it's time to bring reality. It's the real reality show. जब भी मैं कहीं बात करता हूँ अपने शो की, तो I always say it's a real reality show. जो इंसान होगा वही दिखाया जाएगा और वही दिखेगा. So it's all about real personality. Beyond that, I think इस शो के साथ बहुत लोग जुड़ने वाले हैं. ये 46 कंटेस्टेंट्स होने वाले हैं शो में, और 46 के 46 वेल नोन फेसेस हैं इंडस्ट्री के. So that is how I'm bringing the real persona and personality of the contestants in the show.
But actors के लिए ना सबसे मुश्किल जो काम है वो रियलिटी शोज करना इसलिए हो जाता है क्योंकि उनको एक खौफ, डर, भय होता है कि कहीं मेरी पर्सनालिटी जो है वो नेगेटिव ना दिखाई जाए. मेरी पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स जो हैं उनके अलग मतलब ना निकाले जाएं. एंड हम सबको भी रियलिटी का पता है. आई बीन कवरिंग बिग बॉस फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. इट्स बीन आई नो किसी की अगर वोट बैंक को बढ़ाना हो तो उसको इमोशनल एंगल को ज़्यादा दिखाया जाएगा, काट काट कर, एक घंटे में. So I also understand it because I come from the industry. You are there. You've been in Big Boss for a very long time. You have casted people for it. So tell me, is it a bit biased that way?
I think so because TV actors हमेशा अपनी एक पर्सनालिटी लेके चलते हैं, और वो सोचते हैं कि हमें उसी पर्सनालिटी को बचा के रखना है so that ऑडियंस हमारे से मिसमैच ना कर पाए, हमारे को अलग ना समझे. According to what they show on social media, उनकी रियल लाइफ बहुत अलग होती है उससे, और वो डर जाते हैं कि हमें शायद लोग नापसंद ना करें, और हम अगर सामने आए किसी और रूप में तो हमारे जो फैन फॉलोइंग है वो गायब ना हो जाए. बेसिकली अबाउट बिग बॉस बहुत सालों से आ रहा है और बहुत अच्छा कर रहा था काफ़ी सालों तक. बट आफ्टर सीजन 14, आई डोंट थिंक बिग बॉस में कुछ जेन्युइननेस रह गई है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाइप एंड हाइप. कभी उसमें सिर्फ राशन की बातें होती हैं, अब कभी उसमें सिर्फ कौन आया और कौन गया ये डिस्कस होता है. अब ना वो लड़ाइयाँ रही, ना वो बातचीत रही, और सच्ची बातें तो रही ही नहीं. अब इट्स ऑल अबाउट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, it's all about YouTubers, and fighting between an influencer and actors is not what is needed.
Yeah, that's not the content actually.
Right. So Big Boss was meant to be a show जहाँ पे लोग अपनी पर्सनालिटीज को दिखा के या तो बहुत तरक्की करते थे या बहुत गायब भी हो जाते थे. So we have examples of that too. जैसे कि डॉली बिंद्रा अगर हम बात करें, तो जब वो शो में आई थी तो वो इस प्रकार से आई थी कि वो अलग ही शी वॉज अ कॉमेडियन जिनको टक्कर ही नहीं कोई दे सकता था. बट जब वो गई उसके बाद शी वेंट आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स ओनली. सेम विद मेनी अदर पीपल. बट सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला जैसे कंटेस्टेंट भी थे जो कि बहुत नाम कमा के आए हैं शो से बाहर और जीत के आए हैं. So I have seen people growing with that show and losing from that show too. बट बिग बॉस वालों ने इस बार जो थीम चेंज करते रहते हैं हर साल. थीम इज फाइन क्योंकि शो का कॉन्सेप्ट है कि थीम चेंज होती रहे, पर लोग ना बदलो ना. सो लोगों को बदल दिया गया अब तो बिल्कुल ही. दे हैव चेंज देयर एंटायर गेम प्लान. I think let's hope this year they bring good. Otherwise, I'm competing. I'm coming with a great theme as well as contestant. Who have won Big Boss also. They are also the part. So let's see.
तो शो का नाम है The House of Devils and Angels,
Right.
and it will be. Can you reveal the platform now?
No.
Not now.
Right.
But we're expecting a
It's on
competitive.
TV and it's on OTT as well. So on OTT we are having 24/7 live, and with TV we have 1 hour 30-minute episode daily, and it is coming for 108 days.
And
So-
concept भी बहुत अच्छा है. चारों युगों की बात है.
Right.
And it talks about the Kali Yuga also. It will have commoners as well.
Yes, it has a Patal Lok deck
Yes.
which contain 10 commoners and 36 celebrity people. You know that.
पर ये आपको नहीं लगा कि 46 जो नंबर है वो थोड़ा ज्यादा है?
ज्यादा है, उसी हिसाब से evictions भी प्लान किए गए हैं. So every week there will be 3 evictions,
Okay.
1 midweek and 2 on the weekend का बार. Because हमारे 2 host हैं, एक ओकेजनल होस्ट है और एक हमारे रेगुलर होस्ट है. तो ओकेजनल होस्ट बहुत बड़ा नाम है इंडस्ट्री का. He is a big name.
We cannot
of
name that, right?
right. So it's a big name. He's from Bollywood and has done a lot many big projects. He's the star.
I know. I can feel it. कितना
Yeah.
बड़ा पैमाने पर शो होगा. और एक हमारा रेगुलर
Host है. He's also a Bollywood star. He has done so many big films, blockbuster films.
Yes.
So yeah, we're bringing them up. We're thinking to bring the blast out of a box.
क्योंकि you've been a part of Big Boss casting from a very long time. So as in Big Boss, we have a voice of Big Boss, right? अब वो पता नहीं कौन है, वो तो देखो हम सबको जानने की इच्छा रहती है. Second जो voice है, we all know that orator की voice,
Right.
which is Vikram. लेकिन आपके शो में do we have a voice like that?
Yes, we have 3 talking mirrors.
Okay.
जिसमें we have voice of my own,
Hmm.
where I will narrate the people.
Ooh.
That there is a mirror of past, mirror of fortune, and mirror of future,
Hmm.
where I will be narrating, what mistakes they are doing in the show.
Hmm.
According to that, the past mirror will speak and tell them that you are doing a mistake.
Hmm.
Fortune mirror will give you immunities,
Hmm.
and mirror of future will tell you about what all is coming,
Hmm.
hints of the upcoming task and everything.
So you finalize the voice artist for that.
Yes.
Is it a thing?
Yes.
Ooh, I'm so excited now, bhai. Or set and all gonna be in film?
Set is getting constructed in Film City itself. It's a big set. It's double than Big Boss
Okay.
because we only don't have a garden and a house which is having a living area and a room. But there are 5 rooms. There is a garden. There
Yes.
is a sitting deck. There is a stable. There is a lot many other things itself. So it's a big set. It is getting constructed, and very soon we'll reveal that set with the media itself.
Of course, we all are waiting for that. That's so true. But ये भी एक और चीज़ है. Casting की बात अगर हुई है तो casting couch is a thing and a
Yes.
taboo to talk on. I have been somebody who's always up talking about the real things, right? We all know that, and it is a myth also because a lot of people वो कहते हैं कि कुछ लोगों ने किया तो बदनाम हर कोई हो
Yes.
जाता है वाली बात है. So everybody is like, oh, he's a casting director. He's asking me and approaching me for a show. Now he's gonna ask me where to sleep. So
Right.
that's the thing. So have you gone through it?
Many times,
Mhm.
as in being a casting director
Yeah.
doesn't mean everybody is that way. First of all, second of all, yes, people get into casting couches. ऐसा नहीं है कि
Hmm.
है ही नहीं term. There is a term that way, but then not everybody is same. I think with me, I have worked with many people, but I also get judged sometime by
Yes.
this term that why he's calling us, to
Yeah.
me that way. So it's not always same, but yes, people do judge us with that. But it's a taboo because बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ये हुआ है, to be very honest. Also, जब casting directors, freelance casting directors होते हैं ना, तो उनके साथ ज़्यादा ही problem होता है. Because we are not with one company.
Yeah.
We're working with so many companies so that people don't trust easily that आप इनके साथ भी काम कर रहे हो, आप उनके साथ भी काम
True.
कर रहे हो. So to gain that trust, we need to show them our work. And when they start working with us, then they realize that not everybody is same. But until they feel that trust, we need to be, make them comfortable. Let's make everybody comfortable now. अब कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स का वो दौर नहीं रहा कि अब 10 लोग आएंगे, उनके सामने एटीट्यूड दिखाया जाएगा और फिर कास्ट किया जाएगा. It's better to talk very calmly and supportingly to them because they are struggling. They need work.
Of course.
And when they need work, their mind is with full of problems, full of stress that how we will get into it. They have family stress also, pressure. So let's calm them down. Let's bring positivity to their life as well. Let's support them. Let's bring some smiles on the faces. I'm launching some new people also, very fresh faces, जिनको शायद कभी ऑडिशन की लाइन में खड़ते हुए बहुत परेशानियां हुई. तो अब मेरा खुद का प्रोडक्शन हाउस है और अब सबको फेयर चांसेस मिलेंगे. वी आर सून गोना गेट एन ऑफिस इन अंधेरी where people can come and give me their introductions, and accordingly we'll start casting them as well.
And thank you so much for saying that, because I get a lot of DMs for whatever reasons. I've been saying this to people that I am not a casting director. I am not associated with directors and producers in person. Of course I interview people, तो उनको लगता है कि आधे को मैसेज करो. अभी 3 दिन पहले भाई मेरे DM को स्पैम किया एक लड़के ने. इज लाइक आई वांट टू बी मॉडल, आई वांट टू बी मॉडल. मैं कि भाई आई कैन नॉट हेल्प, मैं ना कर लेता फिर मॉडलिंग. इट्स लाइक दैट. So he is the right person. Please spam him as much as messages you can. जो करना है कीजिए, कि घर पहुंच जाइए.
And I am really there to help everybody out. This is not something. See, casting directors be humans hai. They are not some from different planets. So be comfortable, talk to them, and they will help. There are many casting agencies in Bombay जो trustworthy हैं, जिनके पास आप जाके काम ग्रैब कर सकते हैं. You should try them out. There are many. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are 10 big casting agencies जो यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में very viral हैं, और they give work also, and they are not into any casting couch, so you can trust them as well.
Give me 3 reasons that why your show is bigger and better than Bigg Boss.
So first of all, it's on real story. It's not any scripted, content I'm making. It's not a copy of any Big Brother or something. It's a real story. It's a real content. It's not even traitors ki, bringing a show from international background and doing it in India. It's a real mythological, story which is all based on our culture, our Indian culture, and we are not, discriminating any religion. It's not religion based. It's good and bad, which we are bringing. Secondly, with our show, there are very good people associated to us, very big names who are coming as the guests to our show. Along with that, the third point, the major point is the biggest, the biggest romantic actor of India is the part of the show. What else I can hint you with, else with. So this is the biggest 3 big
उन्होंने
points.
अभी अपना घर जो है रेनोवेशन पे दिया है. Let me give you more scoop about it. अब वो कहीं और रहते हैं.
Right. But these things, I think, with this show, everybody, the commoner, the celebrity, everybody will communicate and will gather to be big after the show. I don't think they will be only associated to Bollywood after this. They will be internationals. They will be going to Hollywood on red carpets and everywhere. They don't have to pay for red carpets after this show.
And you're very sure that after this season, you're going to come up with season 2?
Yes, I'm bringing not only season 2, I think plenty of the seasons. The seasons are going to be infinite. And I'll not stop until I'm no more. I will be there until I am there. It's never the end. It's always the beginning. And I'm just ending, for the new start. I've ended casting for all the productions, but bringing my own production with my own castings. Yes, I will be working as a freelance casting director to everybody, but it will be freelance now. And yes, I'm there on the camera now. Anyways, हमेशा से बैक कैमरा काम करने का तजुर्बा रहा है, बट अब ऑन कैमरा आकर आपसे बात कर रूबरू होकर आपको भी समझेंगे और खुद को भी समझाएंगे. That is how we'll bring this up.
ताउमर तक मुकम्मल हुए ये एहसास. With that, thank you so much talking to us, and we have covered most of the things. Of course, we cannot reveal much because things are still in the process and all. But what is your message to people who are keen to be auditioned by you for this show? What is the process for that?
So to audition, we have a website on my handle. So you can go and fill the form. For commoners, this is the the form is for commoners. They can go and fill this form, and I'll read it out that for myself.
Ooh.
And then you will be getting a text from my team with a verified number that this is what you need to make and send us that. We are open for the auditions for commoners now.
अरे
And yesterday we launched the poster,
Hmm.
and now we are all up with the casting. Celebrities so are already finalized. Only 10 commoners are left, and let's see what all we get from the commoners now. Commoners should know one thing, that is, entertainment is only what is needed. No followers, no hype, nothing is demand. Nothing is in demand. It's all the entertainment and entertainment we need.
विद्या वाला ने एक बार कहा था और हम बार बार कहते हैं विद दैट
Right.
थैंक यू सो मच आकाश इट फेल्ट सो फ्रेश एंड लविंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द शो ऑफ कोर्स एंड एट द सेम टाइम टीवी को जिंदा रखने के लिए धन्यवाद और मुझे लगता है कि टीवी आप लोगों की वजह से आबाद तो रहेगा
हमेशा
है ना
हमेशा रहेगा. And thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you very much for giving your time to me, and thank you Filmy Beat for rolling me up. Thank you.